Today I'm going to teach you how to add a new group in Notion. Creating groups in Notion is a powerful way to organize your database entries by categories like departments, project status, or any custom classification that helps you manage information more effectively. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open Notion and select the workspace where you want to add your new group. Once you're in the right workspace, navigate to the page that contains the database you'd like to organize with groups. This could be a project tracker, task list, or any database where grouping information would be beneficial. Now look at the top right corner of your database and click the three dots. This opens the settings menu where you'll find various options for customizing your database. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on Properties. This section controls all the different fields and categories available in your database. Next, click Add a Property or New Property, depending on how your version displays it. This is where you'll create the foundation for your grouping system. When prompted to select a property type, choose Select from the options. While multi-select is also available, Select is much simpler and works perfectly for basic grouping needs. After selecting the property type, you'll need to name this new property. Give it a descriptive name that reflects how you want to group your items. For example, you might call it Department, Status, Priority, or Team, depending on your specific organizational needs. Once you've named your property, start adding options to it. These options will become your actual groups. Click to add each option and assign them to the relevant data entries in your table. For instance, if you created a department property, you might add options like marketing, sales, or operations, then assign each database entry to its appropriate department. For a better visual organization, consider switching to a board view. Click the plus sign at the top of your database and select Board View from the menu. This view automatically organizes your database entries into columns based on your newly created groups, making it incredibly easy to see everything at a glance and move items between categories. And there you have it. Your Notion database is now organized with custom groups that make managing and viewing your information much more intuitive. Thanks for watching.